Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Magical thought. Deliberate thought activated by the will. Your willpower is a huge aspect of you getting into this magical work. You have these thoughts and ideas all the time, whereas you're creating your own ritual, making time for a meditation, writing down something that was strong on your heart, but for some odd reason, it never gets done.
Nope.
Hell, even not in pertaining to magic, your magical works. Doing something that you thought about doing and then you just gave up on that thought because this invisible energy is fear, and we try to disguise it as procrastination, laziness, demiurge energy. That's a dumb idea. That shit won't work. Wow, I remember this Martin episode. This was funny. Let me sit here and watch this same episode for the 1,000th time. This energy is holding you back. It's holding you back from your greatness. And in essence, holding you back from your light. You must assert yourself, being assertive in every aspect of your life, especially in your magical works. And the magician Philip Cooper states it loud and clear. Deliberate thought activated by the will. That means in order to get things moving in the astral realm with thought, you must activate your willpower and push that thought into the subconscious mind realm through ritual, meditations, affirmations, etc. You have to move your energy to make things shake up on this earthly plane. In order to manipulate this plane, you must drop the fear. Get your ass up and move it. We are magicians, chaos beings, and we don't have room for this fear to sit inside of us and hurt our spiritual growth. There's no failure in this game. You're always going to win. Think about it as accomplished and successful as long as you put in the work. Hell, some of y'all just have to show up to work and you get paid. Currency coming back to you just because you showed up. Put your mind at rest and know when you think you're being lazy, procrastinating, etc., that's just your fear. Yeah, had them days and times when you just don't want to do absolutely nothing. But if you're consistently not moving, evaluate it. Evaluate if it's just you having R&R or are you living in your fear. Let's work, chaos beings. Dream wise.